Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman mount kit for ladder racks on the RAM ProMaster. It's part number 4081P. Let's get into it. All right, this is the mount kit that you're going to need to install a ladder rack on the RAM ProMaster, one of the Holman drop-down ladder racks, either on the standard roof or the high roof ProMaster, all wheelbases. You need this kit before you buy the actual drop-down ladder rack kit. And so this is specific for the RAM ProMaster. It's a rail and mount kit that mounts to the factory locations on the ProMaster. So this is kind of the first part you'll install, and then you'll install the actual drop-down kit. The drop-down portion of the ladder rack is pretty universal. It works on a lot of different vans. The only part that is different for your particular van is the mounting kit. So for the ProMaster, you're gonna want this 4081P. Now, right here on top, we've got the warranty card. This does have a 3-year warranty from Holman. You need to make sure that you're buying this from an authorized retailer like Upfit Supply, or else the product won't be covered. So just make sure that you hang on to this warranty card in case anything happens. And then we have our installation guide and parts list right on top as well. Again, it shows you right on the front page everything that should be in the box. Quality control stamp on there as well. So make sure you review all the components to make sure that you have everything that you need in the kit, because nothing is more frustrating than getting halfway done with an install and realizing you're missing a bolt. Nice illustrated installation guide here. Again, a parts list, tools list. They do a great job on these little line drawings to show you how to install it on the van. We're going to be doing an install video with this on the RAM ProMaster behind me, which is a 159 high roof. Let's go ahead and get this open. We have some feet brackets here, individually bagged. Nice powder coat white finish here. Got some, I don't know if these are additional feet or not, but some additional white brackets here. This is the same color as the drop-down ladder rack itself, so it's a matching color. And then we have another set. I believe these are mounting feet as well. Powder-coated white. And look at this, an additional set. I'm not sure if these are all mounting feet or not, but they are bracketry required for either mounting the kit to the van or the ladder rack to the mounting kit. We have some additional small bracketry here, some more small bracketry, and looks like some galvanized hardware here. We've got bolts, washers, lock washers. Looks like we have some slider bolt as well. More galvanized hardware, it looks like. And then we have these little rails here, which the way that the ladder rack mounts to the factory mounting locations of the ProMaster is, I believe, for the rear mount, you're just going to use feet. I don't know if it's this one. The feet will go directly into the mounting location on the van. And then for the front, the way that the drop-down ladder rack sits is it actually would mount in between where there's two mounting locations. So you actually mount to the front location, the second location, and then you have this little rail or this extrusion that mounts in between them. And then you will attach the ladder rack to this rail to accommodate that length. So this is actually in some plastic wrap here. I believe these are just the left and right, probably just mirrored. But let's get this out of the plastic wrap. But again, this is almost like it's not as much as a track as it is like just a square. I don't know if you can see that on the camera above. If not, take a look there. You can kind of see that extrusion here. We got four sides to it that look like they're all the same. So this is a pretty, not a lot of flashy stuff going on here, but it is a necessity if you do want to add a drop-down ladder rack on your RAM ProMaster. Again, this works with the standard roof as well as the high roof. Includes everything that you need to install it, including the installation manual. Sometimes you'll buy this as part of a kit, like if you're buying a drop-down ladder rack kit, it'll come with a mount kit and the drop-down mechanism itself, so you may not even know the part number that you're getting with it because it's part of a kit. Other times you're going to buy this and just the drop-down assembly separately. Just depends on how you order it. Now, if you are looking for this product the ladder rack, or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.